Hi everyone, this is Madel Grace Picardo and I have here my baby. Her name is Pristine Cassidy. We are from Montreal. We joined the Enfamil A Plus Premium program when she was born. When I received the infant starter kit, it was filled with this boxes of these two products. One is for 59 ml, which are both ready to feed, and the other one is 237 ml. So this one I pour it for 3 feedings. Normally is around 70 to 80 ml per feed, and this one is one time for her. See, my baby really loves this Enfamil. I really love it because I can bring it anywhere. So see, we're traveling and can just bring this one anywhere, anytime, and feed it to her. So I don't really have to like divide it. I'll just give this one to my baby and she can drink it anytime, anywhere. So it's really very good. I really love this Enfamil, the 59 ml. So I usually bring this whenever we travel or wherever we're going somewhere else. So if it's a long trip, I'll bring like 5 to 6 bottles of this, and it won't give my baby hunger. So there, and she really likes it, as you can see.